Hi, I'm Moby Smart Cat, and today we have HomTom ZOJI Z11 in review. If you don't know about HomTom, this is a Chinese manufacturer, founded in 2013. Years after years, have worked in the success of the company, in this way, which simply started as a manufacturer of technological accessories, today has become, in a prestigious mobile phone competitor, in his native country. The company used to collaborate with famous national and international telecommunication brands. With the advances in technology and the rise of smartphones, they seized the opportunity to emerge as a great brand. Today, we have the HomTom ZOJI Z11, which is the device that so many fans of HomTom have been waiting for. The smartphone is a rugged one that is extremely resistant to physical stress and intrusions of dust and water. The cell phone is a tough one that is at a high degree impervious to physical pressure and interruptions of residue and water. The ZOJI Z11 looks like a big, robust smartphone, mainly due to its design. Right from the start, it comes with the obviously reinforced sides, while the remaining chassis is developed in a material that combines rubber and metal. Since this equipment is completely resistant to falls, the IP68 certification is also present in this equipment, and it joins the dual camera configuration and a fingerprint reader on the back. Z11, featuring 6-inch 18:9 display, with HD resolution, MT6750T, octa-core processor, 4GB RAM, with 64GB of internal storage, Sony, 16MP plus 2MP, dual rear cameras, 13MP selfie camera, the huge 10,000 mAh battery with 9V/2.78, quick charging, USB Type-C, 3.0 port, fingerprint scanner, face unlock, Android 8.1, Oreo system, and of course, the rugged IP68 certification. Available in bright orange, bright yellow, and vivid green color schemes, the Z11 fits your typical rugged smartphone template, with plenty of rubber and flaps. One flap covers the USB Type-C connector, and the other protects the SIM tray. 10,000 mAh, massive battery, occupies a big portion of the phone's internal space, so it is heavier and bigger than the average phone. The metal frame gives it an industrial finish, and also earns this handset an IP68 rating. There's a front-facing camera, and 2 rear-facing sensors, plus a flash, located just above the fingerprint sensor. There's a lone speaker at the back, and a label with the HomTom ZOJI name written on it. HomTom focused on the battery, and it is likely that this took the biggest chunk of the bill of materials, the actual cost of the hardware. The rest of the configuration is average. An 8-core Mediatek system, 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage, along with a 6-inch display, covered with Gorilla Glass 3, and an oleophobic finish that has a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels. You also get dual SIM standby, with a microSD option. The device manufacturer opted to equip its cameras with Sony sensors. A 24 watts fast charger is also bundled, and you will be able to use the smartphone as an emergency power bank, if required. The face unlock feature worked well, and the Z11 runs what looks like a stock Android 8.1 Oreo. As with other rugged smartphones we've looked at previously, the Z11 includes a toolbox with a bunch of free apps that are designed to be useful for a handy person. Speaking of handy, there's a shortcut that allows you to jump straight into extreme power saving mode, should you need it. The Z11 is a rare beast in the busy smartphone landscape. It is one of 2 rugged smartphones with such a massive battery capacity. It is a solid candidate for anyone seeking an entry-level smartphone with a mammoth battery. The HomTom ZOJI Z1 looks really good, packs a great battery capacity, and it's affordable, at just under $200. There is much to like about the Z11, with his low price, is the exact definition of value, for your money. Rugged smartphone worth a buying. That's all for now. For more news, stay tuned. And if you want this great phone, ZOJI Z11 at good price, visit the link below the video, and enjoy shopping. Bye.